Roast vegetables, I love them, but I'm not serving them as a side or in a salad. I'm actually going to blend them up to make a delicious sauce to go with my spinach and ricotta ravioli. Now, I've preheated my oven to 190 degrees, so a hot oven, and I've got about 6 vegetables here. And this is a recipe that I turn to when I'm in need of lots of vegetables fast. So onto a tray, along with some zucchini, a large zucchini, and I'm gonna cut my zucchini into 4 equal parts. I want all of my vegetables to cook at the same time, so we're gonna cut them differently. I'm going to quarter a red capsicum, and I've just taken the seeds out, they can go on. And some pumpkin. The pumpkin I've just cut into smaller pieces. This is butternut pumpkin. The pumpkin will take the longest to cook. Tomatoes, so just 2 tomatoes. They take no time at all to cook, so we're just going to halve them. And tomatoes, when they're roasted, transform completely, become so sweet, and that's going to tie the whole sauce together. Some garlic cloves, they can just go in whole, and some rosemary. So a good amount of rosemary. We'll sprinkle that over. A generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a good pinch of salt, and some freshly cracked pepper. And how pretty does that look? So colourful, so good for you. These now go into the oven and they're going to cook for about 40 to 50 minutes or until they're lovely and caramelised. How good do they look? They're really soft, they're slightly caramelised, they smell fantastic. All I need to do with them is just blend them in a food processor until they're super smooth. These gorgeous fresh raviolis filled with creamy ricotta and baby spinach. It's the perfect pasta to go with a sauce like this. I love these because they're handmade artisan pasta and they're made with a traditional family recipe. So I've got some water, it's just come up to the boil. I'll also add a good pinch of salt. So we'll just sprinkle that in there and then in with our gorgeous little pillows of ravioli. And because they're fresh filled pasta, they're not going to take long at all to cook. I don't need to put the lid back on. So while they're cooking, let's get on to blending our gorgeous veggies. The sauce is lovely and smooth and I've just placed it in a large pan. I'm not going to turn the heat on this, I just want it in a pan so I can toss everything together. Now onto our little pillows of ravioli. They're perfectly cooked. So I'm going to use a slotted spoon to add it to the pan. And this starchy water is gold. We need this to bring the whole thing together. So I've just got a ladle and we'll just add about half a ladle full of water. To this, I'll also add a generous amount of freshly grated parmesan cheese. And now for the fun part, which is tossing everything together, just coating it. A few little splashes there, that's all right. And we are ready to serve. So I'm just going to use my slotted spoon again, just to grab some of these little raviolis, and I'll place it onto a plate. I really like that they're completely covered in that gorgeous, rich sauce of 6 types of vegetables. Oh, that looks great. Now, to finish it off, some more parmesan cheese just over the top. And I love texture when I'm having my pasta, so walnuts, toasted walnuts over the top, just really finishes the dish off nicely. Some freshly cracked pepper, and some more olive oil, just a small drizzle. That right there is a stunning dish that the whole family is going to love. And I don't know about you, but sometimes you just need a big hit of vegetables and you do want to hide them from certain people in the family. Well, this is your dish. Healthy, wholesome, using beautiful ricotta and baby spinach ravioli.